Hi friends, and welcome back to CrystalCooks. Today we're making sweet potato sausage breakfast casserole, a wholesome breakfast option that's big on flavor and perfect if you're like me and starting your bariatric journey. For this recipe you will need 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 pound sweet potatoes peeled and cut into half-inch cubes, half a cup of onion diced, 4 cloves of garlic minced, half a cup of diced red bell peppers, 1 pound of ground breakfast sausage, 3 to 4 cups of baby spinach, 12 large eggs, half a cup of milk, your choice, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper. This is another recipe I found at my bariatric doctor's office. One thing I love about breakfast casseroles like this one is that they're so versatile. You can mix and match flavors, add cheese for a sharper taste, and if you don't like sweet potatoes, you could try butternut squash. Let's get started. As always, prep our ingredients and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with the rack on the lower middle position. Then lightly grease a 9x13 baking dish and set aside. Peel and cube the sweet potatoes. Dice the onion and the bell pepper, and then set aside. Prepare a large baking sheet with aluminum foil. Layer the sweet potatoes on the baking sheet. Add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then toss to evenly coat. Then spread the sweet potatoes in a single layer and bake it for 20 minutes or until they're soft. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, heat the remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the onions and the garlic and stir 2 to 3 minutes until everything is translucent. Add peppers and stir for 1 more minute. Then transfer that mixture into the prepared baking dish. In the same skillet over medium-high heat, crumble and cook the sausage completely. Drain any oil and add it to the baking dish with the veggie mixture. Add the roasted sweet potatoes. And at this point, you should also add your greens, which I completely forgot, but it still tasted delicious. In a bowl, gently whisk together the eggs, half a cup of milk, salt, and a 1/4 cup of freshly ground black pepper until well combined. Then pour the mixture evenly over the sausage and potatoes in the baking dish. Then bake uncovered for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the eggs are set in the center. Remove from oven and let sit for about 15 minutes. Then cut into it and enjoy. Because I forgot to put the spinach in the casserole, I plated the casserole on a bed of spinach. This was delicious. Next time, I think I'll add some cheese and then remember to add the spinach in the actual casserole. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turned out. I've included the original recipe below. What breakfast casseroles do you prefer? Let me know what you'd like to see me make next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new video. See you next time.